cue po. 1, 2, 3, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Valde. That means that we are hoping and praying that our newlywed couple will be blessed with happy and healthy kids, just like all the kids here. How many kids do you plan to have, Ma'am Mrs. Andrea? Wow, dami, di mo sagot si Jason. How many? 2 plus 2 equals 4. Oh. Okay, come here, Miss. Si baby girl, come here. Come here. Okay, sige. On my count, please throw that, Ibiba. Round of applause, please. As we say congratulations to our newlywed couple, Mr. and Mrs. Valde. Right now, let's go straight to our prosperity dance, to our money dance. We want to dance with the couple and of course to share something. It doesn't matter whether that's small or big, it's the thought that counts. Malay natin, no? Makatabak ka sa bagong pamilya nila, no? Para magkapot ang ilang mga pangandoy, isa-isa ka pamilya. Sige? Let's start with the parents, please. Let's have Ma'am Eva Valde. Just share something. Okay, stand. Just face the audience. Ayan. Get hold of the, ayan po, we have a plate, spoon, and a knife. Okay. Our official photographer. Ayan, we have our cake slicing. So please hold the knife together with, ayan. Magkahawak kamay po kayo. Ayan. The cake slicing, this reminds us the couples, how they deal or handle with their finances, their wealth, their fortune. No? They are going to, kung saan nila pagbahin ang ilang mga katigayunan. Okay? Sila na yung magsabot. Basta as long as they hold each other's hand. Okay, go. Please, take a slice. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congratulations and again, Mr. and Mrs. Valde. Right now, we'll have the wine toast to drive evil spirits away. This also means that this is a time of celebration. We are wishing for just like the wine, may their love grow longer, sweeter as the years go by. Now for the wine toast, may I call on Mr. Eljon J. Botilia, please. Sir Eljon. So much everyone, God bless you on your way. So we all please rise again, everybody. As we say congratulations, a warm round of applause, please. Palakpakan, the loudest applause. Yes, so much. Thank you so much. I have a very good audience, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, love is the bridge between you and everything. So don't you dare break nor burn that bridge. Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Valde! How about another 5-second kiss? Let's end it in 5-second kiss. Now we count, ladies and gentlemen. Go. Position on your mark. Ready, get set, go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! God bless you on your way, ladies and gentlemen. Love, love, love.